So you want to make your email stand out, and you decide to add an animated GIF to your email signature. Or is it pronounced GIF? Let me know in the comments. First, you need to prepare your image. Make sure it's not too big. Best keep it under 1 MB. Then, if you are using Outlook, just go to Settings, choose Signatures, and then click the Add Image button. It looks easy so far, but there are a few things you should be aware of. First, some spam filters may flag emails with GIFs as spam. So it's a good idea to test it with a few emails before you start using it for your professional correspondence. Also, some email clients don't display GIFs, so you have to take it into account as well. And lastly, animated GIFs are a great tool to draw attention, but they do so only if they are approached properly. If you don't integrate it with the overall design of your email signature and just slap a GIF at the end of your email, unfortunately it won't work. So if you want your signature to be efficient and not distracting, try using professional tools that do all the heavy lifting for you. Here I have MySignature, which is a specialized tool to solve this exact problem. When I create a new signature, it offers lots of templates to choose from that I can then customize. So I can pick the one I like, add my details like my name, title, contact information, my picture, all the usual stuff. And then I can add my banner as a GIF. There's also Canva integration if you need it, and you can track how your banners and other links are performing by checking the email signature analytics session. I can finish off my signature with things like my socials, other custom fields like call to actions, disclaimers, or whatever else I need. And then I can also tweak the design using a super intuitive interface. I can move things around if I need to, which could be a big pain if I was doing it in the Outlook editor. And once I'm happy, I can just save my signature, copy it, and paste to Outlook. As easy as that with MySignature service.